All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Yount Ball Winner's Choice. This is the main. So we'll check the time, April 6th at 1:53 p.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. We've got April 6th at 1:53 p.m. There is the list of our 14 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Edwin. Spot 8 is our winner. So Edwin, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 6th, 1:54 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.